Now we're going to come down to what will be the head of the bed and attach the rails together down here too, but there is a couple little differences. So I'm going to get this head rail in place here. We still use the 4-hole brackets. On this particular step, what we're going to do is find some, they're called panel savers. They were also in the box, and we'll use those on the outside. So what we're going to do is take 2 of these 10mm machine screws and M5 nuts, and I'm going to go through the top hole first on this step. And I'm on what will be the side of the bed. That's important for the panel saver. And I'm just going to slip that into position. I'll finger tighten that. Just get that on there. And now, for the panel saver, what we're going to want to do, the panel saver does have 2 holes. We're only using the back one, and it will line up with the bottom hole of this corner nut. That's going to be on the exterior. Now I'm putting the machine screw through the panel saver first, through the rail, and then into that corner bracket. And then I'll finger tighten as well. And then as far as the head rail, and I'm kind of lining that up, and then it's just going to be 2 of the machine screws and 2 of the nuts through the rail and through the corner bracket, and again finger tightened. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to slip that in through there and through that corner bracket. I will go back and tighten all this up and align everything. All I'm doing is kind of getting those started, and then go to the other side and do the same thing.